Next question. Shalom Kol Rav. When reading the stories about Rebbetzin Kanievsky, Alav Shalom, we learned she was I don't know how to say this word. Mivader? Not sure.
Okay, what else?
On so many things, of course, HaShem is rewarding her tremendous sacrifices, but sometimes
meaning that she would forgive many things. Okay, go ahead. Yes.
Okay, I've got a little lost. Of course, HaShem is rewarding her tremendous sacrifices, but sometimes it seems like some people we're taking advantage of her Chesed. Question: should we aim for the level of self-sacrifice?
So it's a very good question. So, like, basically, if you're going to suffer from that and you're going to hate that person, no, don't do it. So she was on a level that she would be glad to take care of that person, even though she would take advantage of them. Clearly, so they did not see it as a taking advantage. They would see as a person in need. So unless you're on that level, so don't do it, because like a person is going to suffer and build inside of this anger and frustration against this person, and one day he or she is going to explode to that person, and it would be better for you just to tell them no right away. Understand? Because there are some annoying people who take it like bloodsuckers, like leeches. So unless you're a great tzaddik, so it's better to keep away from these people. Just tell them.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.